What's the meaning of crore? Crore. Crore.
Crore. Crore. The word crore is a term used in some South Asian countries, including India and Pakistan, to indicate 10 million. In other words, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. This term is commonly used in financial contexts such as currency exchange rates, property prices, and population statistics. It is also used in the context of large-scale projects or initiatives, such as a government plan to build 1 crore houses for low-income families. Overall, the term crore represents a significant amount or quantity in these regions.